Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Jasmy video update today. And right now as I'm speaking, Bitcoin is flashing down and we're looking for the reds for whatever that is. So as I was expecting, this I've been saying this for a long time now, and it came from a long shot that it's not a secret. You're moving down like this, and you're moving down, you're moving sideways, you're looking to break down and continue even lower. So on the daily time frame, you still got something that you should keep an attention to, and you have to keep an eye on. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder is still there. So are we looking for a push down like this and then drop to the downside? That's gonna be a dead drop. So if you look at Bitcoin right now, let's not even talk about Jasmy, because you must be looking at Bitcoin to understand which direction we're moving on. So Bitcoin is trading at 27,351, and I've talked about Bitcoin's pattern now on the channel earlier, so do watch the Bitcoin update. And we do have this very big dam on the top right over here, and you're looking for Bitcoin to come down to nearly $25,700 for that technical target. Invalidation is going to be up here. So that alone tells me that Jasmy is going to be in trouble, because there's no way, or there's a little bit of a chance, very very small chance right now. It's just like 5% chances of Jasmy doing anything on its own at the moment. But I do expect that when Bitcoin drops down like that, because every single altcoin has a negative structure, okay? It's not only Jasmy. If you look at Gala, we got a head and shoulder. If you look at Hook, you got a head and shoulders. If you look at other different coins, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So let's go on to this list again, and I'm going to show you Gala. So look at Gala, by the way. So this is what Gala has: left shoulder, head, right shoulder, move to the downside. That's Gala for you. If I do go back here, I do think I have Hook somewhere here. So if I show you Hook as well, Hook got this another left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder, and we're looking for a technical target, move to the downside. So altcoins are looking bad, Bitcoin is looking bad. Jasmy also has a triangle, and Jasmy, this is where we're looking at Jasmy as well. So you got Jasmy here that is absolutely having this triangle, and that triangle takes it to a technical target somewhere down at this level, which is going to be here. So we're talking about a technical target to 3898, and we're trading at 4511. So that's it. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.